Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to dance the Kizomba. In this video, we will take you through the basic moves and techniques step by step so you can start enjoying this beautiful dance style. Let's begin with the basic Kizomba step. Start with your feet together, then take a small step to the side with your left foot, followed by bringing your right foot to meet your left. Then, repeat the same sequence on the other side. This is the foundation of the Kizomba dance. Next, we'll demonstrate the correct posture and connection between partners. Keep your posture upright, maintain a slight bend in your knees, and ensure a gentle connection with your partner to move as one. Now let's focus on the hip movement. The Kizomba is known for its smooth and sensual hip motion. Practice shifting your weight from one foot to the other while allowing your hips to move naturally with the music. As you continue to practice, remember to maintain a relaxed upper body and let the rhythm guide your movements. This will help you achieve the characteristic fluidity of the Kizomba dance. Throughout the video, you'll see text captions explaining each movement and step so you can follow along and understand the correct execution. Finally, after mastering the basic steps and techniques, you'll be able to enjoy the smooth and harmonious Kizomba dance. Remember, Kizomba dancing offers not only a great way to stay physically active, but also helps improve coordination and allows for expressive dance expression. Now let's watch a short demonstration of the end result, a beautiful and captivating Kizomba dance.